Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a fantastic instrument. The CA6240 Micro Ohmmeter is a high performance device and is built to measure ultra low resistance measurements, making it a must-have for electrical engineers, maintenance teams and industrial professionals. Let's dive in and let's see what's inside the bag. So here it is, the CA6240 Micro Ohmmeter. It feels solid, rugged and built to be used out in the field. This device is designed for high precision, low resistance measurements up to 10 amp, making it perfect for testing electrical connections, circuit breakers and more. You can see on the lid that you have two clips for opening and closing the box. These aren't going to break anytime soon, as you can feel how solid the clips are, so you won't have to worry about the lid flying open in the back of the van after a few months of use. Let's discuss the accessories. First up, we've got the power lead. This is used to keep the Micro Ohmmeter up and powered and ready to go, and the length is 2 meters. Next, we've got one set of two 10 amp Kelvin clamps with a 3 meter cable. These high quality Kelvin clamps are used for accurate 4-wire measurements, reducing contact resistant errors. Another accessory that you'll find in the 6240's bag is the optimal USB lead for the data transfer and data logging analysis. You'll also find inside the bag one simplified operating manual in 5 languages. So if you want a quick start, this easy to follow guide will get you up and running in no time. Following on from the quick start manual, we'll have the full operation manual in 5 languages for those who need an in-depth knowledge of the CA6240. This comprehensive manual covers everything you need to know. And there you have it. You can see why the Chauvenonu CA6240 Micro Ohmmeter is an essential instrument for accurate resistance testing. And with all these accessories, you'll be fully equipped to start testing right away. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy testing.